Okay guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to get started with Fathom wallet airdrop, a new update on Fathom airdrop. So what you need to do is, first thing is open up your app, and then you make sure your app is up to date. If it's not up to date, go and check your Fathom on your Play Store and updated it. So after you open it, click on your profile here. Once you click on your profile, you're going to see your profile name. You can see at all as 900. So that's what you need to do to just make sure you know your profile name. So after that, the first thing you can do is you can send your profile name to people to follow, and you can also search for people here and there. Once you search for people, you'll be able to follow people and people will be able to follow you. So I'm going to search for someone here now. You can see now once you click on it, you'll be able to follow the person. Just click on follow and you'll follow the person, and you can click on send to send your username to that person, and you're going to follow back. So if this person is up to follow you back, very simple. The more you follow, the more people following you, and that's how you're able to get your Fathom wallet airdrop. So guys, started following people and ask people to follow you. So you guys, so if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.